Want to replace your oven's display? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A screwdriver, pliers, and a new display. Step 1. Remove the oven casing. The display is located at the top of the oven. To replace it, you first need to remove the top panel. First unscrew the screws and then carefully lift the top panel off the oven. Step 2. Remove the old display. First disconnect the wiring. If necessary, take a photo so that you can easily reconnect the wiring in the right place later. Then you can remove the display from the oven by bending the metal clips and pulling them out. If your oven has screws instead of clips, unscrew them. The display consists of two parts, the holder and the circuit board. You can easily separate these using a screwdriver. That way, you can replace the parts separately if necessary. Step 3. Insert the new display. If you have detached the circuit board and holder from each other, snap them back together first. Place the new display where the old display was and bend back the clips or screw the screws back. Then properly reconnect the wiring. Step 4. Replace the housing. Place the top panel back on the oven and screw the screws back in place. You have replaced the display and the oven is ready to use again.